front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to find Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Continue As or Use Without an Account and click on Add Contact. Now tap on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished, you need to click on Reorder at the top right corner if you want to change order of your contacts on this list. Just hold the chosen ones and drag them. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. To remove some of your contacts, use those X's next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!